Today's chapter is Space and Direction. Did you revise the chapter of it? Good if you revised it. I also want to listen how you revised. So first, let's listen a poem of Space and Direction. 1, 2. Directions of space, directions in space. We should learn how are they. We should learn how are they. Directions and space, directions in space, directions in space, directions in space. Let's learn about the directions first. Enter the room and let's learn. You don't know because you have learned in the first grade or the second grade. Let's revise this. Let's revise this. The directions are for you don't know. Let's learn. 4 directions are facing by here. It's north, south, west, east. North, south, west, east. Do you know how to mango peel? Then you don't know how it feels. Do you know how to mango peel? Then you don't know how it feels. We know that it is a light from the sun. We know the light comes from the sun. You know your mother speaks all the time. Clean up the space. We will get a big space. Sometimes when you go to hotel, you also see like this. Da-dun, 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 da-dun. This chair is very small. This space is very small for me. This space is a little nice. It is comfortable for me. This space is very big for me. This space is very big for me. Let's learn about the formations. Let's learn about space and directions. Let's learn about the formation. Let's learn about space and direction. So, how did you learn? Yeah, you learned so much thing about it. Let's look at the chapter. It's chapter 21 from EVS. If you're in British Space and direction. Whenever we have to reach a place, we need to know its direction. Do you know what is direction? Whenever we are moving in particular direction. There are 4 main directions in which person can move. These are other 4. The direction of stretch your right hand is right. The direction of stretch of your left hand is left. And things that face in front the name of it is front, and things at your back are behind. For example, in the picture given over here, I'll show you the picture here. The hospital is on the right of the child virus mall. The mall is on left of the school, and school is behind the child. So, did you understand about the directions? Okay, so let's turn over the page. We know that the sun rises in the east and sets in west. Where are east and west located? What are they? East, west, north, south are four major directions. Directions facing each other are called opposite directions. Compass is an instrument that shows you direction. Do you know how the compass look? Look, you can see. It has a needle pointing towards the north direction. We can know our direction even without using a compass, using a simple activity. Standing face of the sun in the morning with your arms stretched. The direction in front of you is east. The direction behind you is west. The direction to your left is north. The direction to your right is south. Location of objects. Objects are placed or located in relation to another object. For example, apple is on the tree. Cat is under the table. Let's understand how to locate few more objects. Look. Above means higher than or over. Below means lower than. Behind means at the back of. Under means beneath low. On means in a position touching the surface. In means inside an area. Inside means in inner part. Along means from one end to another. So you must have understand the concept of it. You understand about the space and all. You must have understood. Now, I told you to revise the chapter transport. So let's look at the transport. Let me ask you some questions. Give two examples of each. Vehicles used to move from one country to another. Correct. Airplane and ship. Modes of water transport. Correct. Boat or ship. Boat and ship. Fuels. Correct. Petrol, diesel, CNG vehicles. Cars and buses. Vehicles of transportation in big cities. Correct. Bike and car. What is difference between the mode of transportation in villages and big cities? Give examples. It is a homework for you for today. And also an activity. Kashif has go from Delhi to meet his cousin in Mumbai. Draw or paste pictures of mode that can be used by him for his journey. Animals are also used mode transport. In some parts of world, get information such to animals and paste their picture in space below. You don't have that space, but if you study English, you will get that book and you can also understand where it is and where it is not. If you want any more for your own, if you want information, you can ask the principal, your principal of me. Is there one studying child, Radhni? You can ask my name in the English public school. Bye bye. So thank you for giving the answers for the transport chapter, and also revise the chapter. This chapter, space and direction. Tomorrow we will learn a new chapter. The chapter called, you know it, communication.